who is most likely to admit when they are wrong? Like, Chumma fighting for small things.
Can we go to the next question, please?
Why not?
Selected most of the questions which, portray the good about you and
course.
all the
And the
nonsense
best.
about me.
Hello guys, welcome to Vinjin Vlog. So what are we doing today?
Today it calls for a fun session. So we are going to play Who's Most Likely To.
Or it's also called as You or Me.
Yes. This game will help you guys to know us better.
Yes, and we also seen many other vloggers play this, and it was really fun to watch.
Amazing, yeah.
So
we thought, why not play this game? Because it's been really long since we played a game, right?
Correct. It's been very long.
Yeah.
We have few questions prepared, so without
further delay, let's start playing quickly.
Okay. First question. Who is most likely to be dramatic? I'm very quick in my answers because I know all the answers. See?
Sometimes.
I know all the time.
Sometimes.
Okay. Next one. Who is most likely to lie?
Any doubt. Any doubt.
But very white lies. I can very convincingly lie. So it's not
very
a problem.
convincingly lie?
Yeah, for good. Like
Only for
surprises.
good?
Yeah, you cannot.
Only for good?
Only for good. Total good one. Next one. Who is most likely to die for doing something stupid?
Without any doubt.
Actually,
What do
I
you
don't
say?
think so. You will not die or not, because I will be there to save you, right? But anyways, you can take this.
Now who's being dramatic?
Of course, truth only.
Actually, I should have picked his name for being dramatic anyway.
Who is most likely to embarrass themselves? I don't care. I'm an actor. You see,
It's
simple
Vinay,
case.
Vinay. I don't know whether he'll embarrass
I'm an
himself,
actor.
but
I
he'll
don't get
definitely embarrass me wherever we go.
We don't care. Yeah.
I just go away from him and walk my
We
way.
are born actors. You see.
I get embarrassed real quick, and he makes sure that he embarrasses me every time we go.
I'm with you guys.
Somewhere.
Come on. Next question. Who is most likely to get food poisoning? It's me. And it's me because
Vinay.
I've
Because
got
he
it
can
also.
eat anything and everything without even thinking twice whether it's hygienic, not hygienic. He doesn't care.
It's all about the taste, guys. It's all about the taste. So, who is most likely to admit when they are wrong? Of course, me. Oh, nah.
You admit?
Of course.
You admit when
Yes,
you're
it's me.
wrong?
Yes.
Who says sorry first?
Ah.
He comes and says sorry first. Who admits that they are wrong? It's always me. He will not accept his mistake. He never accepts
I
his
don't
mistake.
think so.
Okay, never.
Admit it, no take. Who guys will know?
Very funny.
Next question. Who is most likely to get into a fight?
As in where?
Anywhere. Generally. You only. Without doubt. Chumma fighting for small things and big things.
Okay.
Road and all chumma fighting with random people.
What's right is right, and I fight for what is right.
I fight
That's
for
it.
peace.
You don't fight at all. Okay.
I fight for peace.
You
it's in my
don't
side.
care. You
I
don't
don't care.
care.
Who cares? Chumma making
You
sound.
can just see something's going wrong and even be like, who cares, and just walk away. I cannot do that.
But anyway, the answer to this is
Okay,
you
okay,
only.
it's me.
Next
I am a
one.
fighter. Okay.
Okay. Who is most likely to sob because of a sad movie? Both.
Me, if it is about animals, yes. For humans, I don't cry.
It's about a movie generally, not about human animal. Both
I
will
would
cry.
cry for an
I'm
animal
very
rather than a human,
sensitive
but
movie
Vinay,
perspective.
yeah.
Yeah, because I'll feel, because I'm an actor, right? So I know how that feels. I need to act.
Can we go to the next question, please?
Why not? Who is most likely to get mad over small things?
So when small things start to matter the most for someone,
Dramatic.
it is going to whatever your question was. So the small things are going to matter. So I will get mad over it.
Dramatics.
So it's not dramatic. It's about it's explanation.
Again.
Oh my god.
Okay, guys. Next question. Who is most likely to fall down from a staircase while holding a cake?
I get
If
nervous.
you give her Pepsi or something in a tray while you come from KFC or something?
I'll
You've
start
never fallen with a cake from a stairs, but
with Coke and Pepsi.
between us, most likely
Yeah.
she.
Because I start imagining things. What if it falls off and then I end up dropping it?
Well,
So
then.
it doesn't matter. So yeah,
Okay.
I get nervous.
Okay.
Okay, next one.
Next question. Who is most likely to get a plastic surgery of some kind?
Show me your answer.
I'm not showing any. I have none. You for what? Huh?
None, no.
I don't know.
I know it's bad, but
After growing old, it will fall down. Chumma,
it's
unnecessary
not like
shit.
that.
What do you want? No, sir.
No.
Tell.
No, when you see your face in the mirror, you find some faults, right? So I find few faults and I'd like to change it, but no, it's not good. So yeah, between us, who's most likely to?
It should
I
be
have
her
that.
then. I don't have even one person. I like myself.
Yeah. Okay,
Because
that's good.
because I grow old like one.
Can you please change? Can you please go to the next question?
Okay, next question.
Who's being more dramatic?
You. Who is most likely to
What?
have a 1 hour shower?
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 hour ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ
2 minutes. No use.
what is 2
1
minutes
hour.
every day 2 minutes
King bath.
every day 2 minutes is different 1 hour sitting in the washroom under the shower is different.
Okay, next question. Who is most likely to laugh at a time that's not funny?
I'd say both.
I don't laugh. I
This
can
one.
control.
No. Illa, yeah, actually it's me. The wrong situation, yeah, where I'm
You
not
not laugh,
supposed
but
to laugh.
maybe. What's the next
Oh,
question?
telling all good about yourself.
Yes,
and-
of course. I'm just seeing the
Uh-huh.
questions. Just selecting the ones which is. towards
You've
me.
selected most of the questions which, portray the good about you
Of
and
course.
all the
I'm the
nonsense
best.
about me. Okay.
Okay, next question. Who is most likely to cause a scene in public?
I am accepting.
Okay.
Cause a scene anta enilla. Hey, come on. What do you mean by cause a scene?
Scene means scene. There is no other word for
Okay, I
fight
want-
scene.
Fight scene.
Mainly fight scene. Scene is fight only, right?
I cause a scene in public
You are capable. Highly capable. That's what it means.
with you?
No?
Then-
With anyone. Random. With me means I'll give you one punch.
Then that is not a scene.
No, that's not scene.
Then?
That is house man.
Oh, house matter publicly, that is a scene.
No, this is for
Not
public.
with you,
Scene
right?
in public.
Scene in public.
Fighting with that road guys.
Andre-
Fighting with shopkeeper.
Yeah, then it's me. Don't take it. Oof.
Okay, next question. Who is most likely to own a zoo?
Inna?
Who is most likely to own a zoo?
Own a zoo? Yeah, I'd love to.
Any cute animal?
I'd love to. I want
Wants.
to own everything.
But don't want other animals like nice snake, insect,
Snake?
spider. That is what she doesn't want. She wants
Snake,
elephant,
insect, spider.
dolphin, all these
Dolphin.
cute ones. So what about the other ones?
I like
Tom?
whale also in that matter.
Really?
Dangerous
Keep in the
whale I would love.
Dangerous is whale.
Of course whale is dangerous. What's with you? What is this?
Whale. Okay, whale. You cannot keep it with you in the zoo.
I know, but
So it's not
dolphins,
dangerous.
horse and
Next question. Who is most likely to forget everyone's birthdays?
any doubt.
No, I don't forget actually. Sometimes
He
I
doesn't
just
remember.
no.
He'll not forget, but
It's for
just that he
surprising.
doesn't remember.
It's surprising that.
Oh,
Surprise.
Murthy. After I've told him, after I've reminded, he'll
Nothing like
have
that.
thoughts
I
about
remember.
something.
Next question.
It's great that if he remembers my birthday, that's
The birthday is January 25th, right? Next
not
question.
telling anything.
Next
Yes.
question.
Oh.
Who is most likely to cancel plans? Unnecessary cancelling. I cannot. Plan is plan. Plan means plan. Even
Okay,
if you
you
are dying,
give
I will go.
What kind of a weird-
I don't care.
1 minute.
Ah.
Give an explanation as to why have you chosen my name? Like
Most likely to.
most likely, have I done it before?
It doesn't matter.
Come
it doesn't
on, I'm
matter.
asking
This is my
you.
feeling. If at all it's someone, it will be you. Okay, for example, if you have high fever and you
Yeah.
have planned something,
Yeah.
will you go?
No, I'll not go.
But I will go.
I know that.
Do you think so?
You hide. He doesn't say that he's sick, so he ends up going. It'll get worse.
Plan is a
Then
plan.
he'll understand. He'll learn
I
his
will.
lesson and he'll come back.
I will bounce back like
bounce
Phoenix.
illa enta illa.
Next question. Who is most likely to win $10,000 at a casino and lose it all the same day?
The only uncontrollable person in the house is
We
Mr.
don't care.
Vinay.
Spend money. She wins, no?
Careless.
That's all. Left
It'll be in nest.
out of the casino. Or she'll
It'll be in a nest.
unconscious. Nest.
Unconscious,
Nest.
yeah.
What is
Nest.
nest? What
Been
is-
saved and kept.
What I'll think is let's make it more and go play.
ಆಮೇಲೆ lose everything and
No,
come back.
not mandatory. We might get millions than the just 10,000.
Shouldn't be greedy, you know.
Who is becoming
You.
greedy? That's ambitious.
No, ambitious, very.
So next question: Who is most likely to get offended by a joke?
Even if I don't want to,
Self-explanatory.
I end up taking things too personally. So yeah.
Next question: Who is most likely to go for grocery shopping for one thing and end up buying everything else than that one thing?
I'd say both. Even you say the same?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, that's good.
Simple case. Who is most likely to own a gun?
Mr. Destructor.
Yes.
That's what I would like to call
That's my
him.
aim in life, to own a gun legally. Next question.
Thanks for that confirmation, Vinay. Good.
Illegal is no problem. I don't
Achhi.
say. Next question. Who is most likely to be a terrible photographer?
Ayo, most likely to be Allah. He's already a terrible photographer.
See, it's not like that.
Without any
She
doubt.
for her photos, I am terrible. For taking mine, she is terrible. It's 1-to-1.
No, what did you show?
Your name, your name, my name.
Then why are you putting it on me?
For you. I am myself super photographer. I can take.
This is so overconfident.
If you guys want to see, you can see that
is not a good thing.
that video is a drip report. Check that.
I've
Wait.
got nothing to tell.
Other you will have-
Photographer, taking video is different. Taking a picture. If I get, he would have clicked around 20 pictures of mine. In that, if I like just one,
That's
I have
enough.
to consider myself really lucky.
Yes.
That day, without pissing me off or without making me extremely tired,
You
if
should-
he manages to get a picture of mine wherein I'm looking okay.
If you want a good picture, you need to work for it. Chumma it will not come. Alright. Next question.
See,
Who
I
is-
told he doesn't admit his mistake anyway. Yeah.
Whoa. Who is most likely to eat a whole pizza by themselves under an hour? Under half an hour.
Half an hour? What kind of question? It's within 10 minutes.
Chumma
10 minutes?
5 minutes. Don't
5
check
minutes also is possible. 5 to 10 minutes, Vinay. Entire pizza?
my 1 piece, 2 piece
Half
pizza.
an hour he would have.
Eaten 2 pizzas. Next question. Who is most likely to become addicted to chocolate?
I'm already.
It's not most likely to, it is.
I can eat chocolate for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, and I can just survive on chocolate.
Very nice.
I don't need food if I have chocolate.
I want non-veg, chicken, beef, mutton.
Nah, no one's talking about you.
I'm telling just trying to incorporate in my ideas.
Not required.
Okay, next question. Who is most likely to live in Antarctica?
Me.
Yeah, she is most likely to live in Antarctica, but she cannot even survive, I think, half an hour. That day we went to that snow world. Came out within 2 minutes. She likes to believe that she likes
That
snow.
is so raw. It's so.
But if you wrap you up in something, maybe you will stay.
Yeah, you should have a proper gear.
Who
Come
has
on.
more tolerance to cold?
I don't like to say this, but he has more tolerance towards everything. Cold, hot, yen.
But who
Season
wants to go
doesn't match.
But who wants to go to Antarctica at this point? Full joke.
Why not?
Why not?
I should have a proper gear and all. No?
Yeah, 50 year.
Joka.
Joka.
Vatta.
Okay, next question. Who is most likely to be indecisive with simple decisions? Without a doubt. Tell truth. This. See, for this also doubt. That's what I call
Truth.
small thing. Can't decide. This water or this water. Same water. And what? Full-time doubt. Which anyway, nothing to tell. So I will take one, but then she'll want the other one. Upper she'll have decision.
Opposite of whatever you choose. That's
yes.
why I asked your opinion. So if you choose blue, then I'd want the red one.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Anyway, next question. Who is most likely to keep items, clothes they haven't used for years?
You mean still keep it?
Yeah.
Both of us.
Yes.
Mine are
I
just
am mine
clothes,
also.
but Vinay's, it includes. Imagine he has got a perfume bottle, okay, and it's got the box, right? It should have been packed in a box, so that perfume would have gotten over and it will use everything is done, but then that box will still be there in his suitcase from years together, or some bottle cap,
Stone,
pen,
can.
yeah, some stupid things.
Stupid for
things.
you.
And he'll not allow me to throw. So that's why what I do, I hide and I throw
kill
it.
to save it. Next question. Who is most likely to attend a function just for food? Neha.
It's both. It's both.
I want to go to
We
some.
do only that.
After going back, I need to go to some Vegarutas. Please arrange you.
Vegarutas, Vire.
Kindly arrange it you. Who is most likely to be overly critical?
Overly critical
See,
about
about anything. I like perfection, you see, because
about. I don't tell Vinay. It's me. It's me who's overly critical.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
overly neat.
Overly critical on
Overly
myself
critical.
and him. Only him. Yeah.
I like. Okay. I don't care
This
if you
one's
think.
not critical.
Why not?
Hi.
It's not the way to catch. It's opposite. Keep it straight. It's clear to the camera.
Dramatic again.
Next question. Who is most likely to take everything too literally? Kuttapi. The Kuttapi is near. Total literal. Go away means I'll go on.
Don't exaggerate things, come on.
Last question.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Who is most likely to wear a mismatched, who is most likely to wear mismatched shoes by accident?
It is not by accident. Definitely not by accident. He calls it his
Style.
fashion sense,
I am,
which I call it bullshit, if I may.
I am 5 years in advance. People don't understand me now, but maybe later. But now I'm like a little bit okay, but you know.
Little bit okay, la. Whatever improvement is there, it's because of me. Credit goes to me.
No. I am only just become little soft
Oh,
because
before
I need
3
to.
years, I couldn't see what he was.
No.
3 or 5 years.
I need to live according to the year, I thought. But I'll come back. I'll get back. Let me start my movies.
Oh.
Then I'll revolutionize the whole universe. Please,
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
Kerala.
ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
Eh?
Oh, little,
Never.
little.
Remember my name.
Are you showing my name by any chance?
No.
Oh.
Anyways, so
That's it.
no, that's it. Finished all the questions done.
So
More
quick.
insight. Yeah, it was a very quick 20 minutes. So
Yeah.
many
It
insights.
was so much fun actually. We had so many things to talk, you know.
Yes, so hope you guys like this video. We'll come back with more amazing videos and content and more fun sessions
Yeah.
in the next weeks. And until then, but don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon because
Please.
we require. And subscribe. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah, I'm just reminding again and again. Subscribe. Please. See, literal. Yeah, actor. What to do? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. So until next week, it's bye from Revolutionist Vinay and Literal Sneha.
Please.
Bye.
Bye.